Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So guess what? I made my very first wig and I'm so excited about it because it was so easy to make that I ended up making 3 wigs this weekend. Now there is a reason for that and I will get into that later in the video, but I am going to show you how I made this wig in less than an hour, and I'm also going to review all 3 types of hair that I use. Now, the first wig that I made is the Outre Jamaican Beach Wave. This is a 1-pack solution. You get 4 bundles, a 16, a 18, a 20, and a 22 inch, plus you get a free closure. Now, I chose this hair in the color 1B dark blue, and I freaking love this color. It is so pretty. Now, I wanted to make another wig that I could wear to work, so I got the Sensationnel boutique bundles in the color 1B30. This is a 1-pack solution, and you also get a free closure in this one. To make your wig, you're going to need a spandex dome cap and also some quick weave bonding glue. I got this nifty little C-clamp at my beauty supply store for about $3. It's designed for mannequin heads. It has an adjustable screw. I put it on my ironing board because that's adjustable too, and it's really neat because you can rotate your mannequin head as you're making your wig. So it's really nice to have one of these. Now, the first thing I did is I applied my closure so it's already in place and I know exactly where to position the hair around it. And so I just applied some bonding glue to the edges of the lace. Now, there's no trick to placing your closure. You just want to make sure your part is dead center, and then you just glue down the sides and also the back because you are going to be installing tracks right next to that closure, so make sure you save enough hair for that. It is so easy to make a quick weave using this method. You are going to love how quickly you can change up your hairstyles with this. And so now I'm going to shut up, put on some music, and let you watch the installation process, and then I'll jump back on later and give you a review on all 3 hairs that I tried today. And here she is, the finished unit. You guys, out of all 3 wigs, this one is my favorite. That blue is so beautiful and so vibrant. It turned out a lot better than I thought it would. This hair was very easy to work with, very nice curl pattern. I love the loose waves. There's a nice deep 4-inch part. And I didn't really have to pluck the part. You could if you wanted to, but you really don't have to. That's what I loved about this unit. You can just put it in and go. I love how far down the black is blended in with the blue. Just a very pretty unit. Outre did a great job of blending this color together. On to wig number 2, the Sensationnel Boutique Deep in the 1B30. This one is pretty too. I love the color. I've always loved this color combination. The curls on this one are a little bit deeper. It's not that wavy, elongated curl pattern like the Jamaican beach wave, but this one is pretty. The black doesn't go down quite as far, so the black roots aren't as deep as it is on the other unit. What I didn't like about it is the part. Oh my gosh, the part on this closure is practically non-existent. And so since I didn't like that about this unit, I went ahead and made a third wig using the Outre Jamaican beach wave in the same color. This is the unit that I made to wear to work, and I just love this curl pattern a lot better. It's a looser curl pattern. This wave is, I think, is so sexy, and yeah, I stepped outside of my comfort zone. And so to compare the two side by side, you can see that the dark roots on the Outre unit go down a lot further than the Sensationnel unit. You can see the difference between the curl pattern. You can also see how it looks in the back. So again, I love how far down the black is blended into the unit. So there you have it. These are my 3 units. It's so easy to make a wig using the quick weave method. If you are a beginner, I would definitely suggest trying the quick weave method. What I love about using the spandex dome cap versus a regular wig is, you know how the regular wig, the part kind of poofs up a little bit. With the spandex dome cap, it lays flat to your head. So I think this is a perfect technique for making wigs, in my opinion. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know which unit was your favorite. All right, gang, I'll see you later. Bye.